Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through how to make the links to the assignments for the English 101 dual enrollment course. So I'm going to show you on this one. I'm going to go to discussions. They weren't linked. So what you want to do is go to the list of discussions, use the drop down, go to edit topic, go to assessment, and then here you can link it to a grade item. So here's the oral presentation. You have to put the score and save and close. It'll take you back to the list of discussion topics, and you can do the same for the other two. The other thing you need to do is to link the assignments, and we're going to have to add some assignments because none of the pre-writing is in there. Yes, I've already done this one. So I'm just going to kind of show you how you would do it. So again, go to your list of assignments. You'll probably just see the essays, the 4 essays, and the personal essay, you'll see the assessment is there. The others, you won't see the symbol. So just for an example, you would go in, edit assignment, and scroll down. And the part that you're going to need to fix is you'll have to put the score and you'll have to link it to the grade item. And you'll see the list of them there to choose from. So that's all you'll do for that. I'm going to cancel this since I already did it. So you're going to go through all 4 of the essays and correct those. Now, none of the pre-writing is there, so you're going to have to add those. To do that, go to Content and go to the spot where you want it. So here's Unit 1, Personal Essay, and then what you would do is and I would do it right in this look rather than the one we use for our other classes. It works pretty well. So what I do is click on the guidelines so you're sure to be inside the personal essay. Then you go to Create New, Assignment, and then here you would give it a title, and we're titling it Unit 1 Pre-Writing Submission. Here you can put your score, and then here, very important, in grades, use the drop down, choose from grades, link to an existing grade item, and then you will see it. Now it's not here because I've already done it, but you will see the personal essay pre-writing, and you'll click that, and then you'll click OK. Now I'm going to say cancel because I don't want to do this again. Here at the bottom, make sure you check your visibility so it'll be visible, and then you would save and close. Now I'm going to cancel this because I don't want to do it again, but I want to show you that once you've created it, you will see that it will populate it kind of at the top. So you'll probably see it, right here. To move it, you can either drag and drop it. I put it under the planner. Although now, where is it? Uh-oh, this is the one I'm going to have to mess with this one. Oh, maybe this one isn't done. No, where's that pre-writing submission? Let me go to Unit 2, because maybe I need to, I didn't do the, let's see if it's in here. Yes, so I did it for this one. I'm going to have to fix it for the pre-writing. So tell you what I'll do, and then you can kind of see how it's done. I'm going to go back into this one, and I don't know if I can edit it. think it's not going to let me. No, it's not going to let me edit it. So I'll just get rid of this one. I'm going to have to check this on all of them. Alright, so let's do this again. So we create new assignment. We're going to call this Unit 1 Pre-Writing Submission. This is worth 25 points. We're going to put this in grades, linking it. Looks like I've already have linked it. It should show up here. Okay, I'm going to have to mess with this. At any rate, you can see that it can be a little glitchy. I'll cancel this, and I'll have to come back and work on this some more. Alright, so you will have to go into all 4 units and create the pre-writing. Again, in this class, I thought I'd done them all, but the first one needs to be fixed. So under each of them, make sure that you do have the pre-writing submission. And once you've linked it to the grades, it should be linked to that without any problem. Alright, don't know if that's about as clear as mud or not, but there we go.